What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be working on this piece of shit right here.
Yes.
He's gonna be doing most of the work.
Yes.
I mean, obviously, as you can tell from the title of this video.
Pretty soon the student will pass the teacher.
Yeah.
That day will come.
Yeah. Never in our lifetime though. But yeah, as you can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna be doing rod bearings on Nadek, who is his brother. Nadek's E92 M3, which if you guys have seen the previous videos, which you probably have not, it's blurry. Okay, like I said, if you guys haven't seen the videos, we went ahead and basically completely repainted this car, got it looking really good again because we had taken the wrap off of it and the wrap had completely ruined the entire paint job on the car. So the whole car has a fresh paint job. You can tell pretty well actually on this camera. It looks pretty shiny.
Nice hexagon LED lights.
Yeah, we need those better lights. But yeah, we actually got the rear spoiler and like emblem and stuff on, which we didn't do in the previous video. But the car is basically complete right now. We also lowered it on some Megan racing springs, I believe. So the car is sitting pretty nicely. Don't mind this curb rash right here.
We'll confront him pretty soon.
We'll confront him, yeah. We'll see who did that, if it was Ottoman or the dummy who originally drives this car. But yeah, the car is sitting pretty nicely now. All it needs is like a front lip.
I think the word is flush.
Flush. Oh yeah, did we put spacers? Yeah, we put spacers on it too. Spacers and everything. But yeah, all it needs is like an exhaust, front lip, and a diffuser. Other than that, the car is coming together. But first, before we can do all the cosmetic stuff, we gotta do the necessary stuff for the S65 V8 that is under.
We gotta dummy proof it so we can really, you know,
just step on all 200 torque, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we went ahead and picked up this kit from ECS Tuning. Well, not we, but Nadek did. But they send you the entire like hardware, everything, all the parts that you need. These were actually separate, the spark plugs. But they send you an oil pan gasket, the rod bearings of your choice. We went ahead and went with the BE rod bearings because everyone says those are like tested, tried and true, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we got the BE bearings, liquid moly 1060 oil.
The bad kind of moly. I tried.
We got an original oil filter right here, some ARP hardware for the rod bolts. This is a oxygen sensor, I believe, because it was throwing an oxygen sensor code. We'll go ahead and throw that on off camera. But we got NGK spark plugs and some assembly lube. It's red assembly lube.
Yeah.
Tastes like cherry. It's not how usual lube tastes like, huh?
I wouldn't know.
But yeah, we're just letting the car cool down a little bit right now because Ottoman was thrashing on it and getting those old rod bearings the final, you know, the last little bit of copper shavings of the rod bearings into the oil. But yeah, we're gonna let it chill a little bit, wait for Nadek to get here because he's gonna obviously help us with this.
Dutch Bros, you know.
Bring us Dutch Bros, Red Bulls, whatever, to get us going on this car. It's actually getting late out right now, but we're gonna work into the late night and probably finish it tomorrow. But before we move on, here's a quick little word from our sponsor.
Check. What you got?
You tell me. Full house. And that's how you win the game, ladies and gentlemen. Are you tired of having your ass bluffed? Well, now you can bluff their ass with a pair of Simply Carbon Fiber glasses. This video is brought to you by Simply Carbon Fiber. Maybe you don't want a pair of glasses. Maybe you want a phone case. Don't mind the broken phone. Maybe you want a wallet. We have no money. Credit cards are all maxed out. But still, link will be down below. Plus, I have a 10% off coupon code down the link below. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. Go to simplycarbonfiber.com, get yourself a phone case. It's upside down. Get yourself a wallet. Credit card's maxed out. Or get yourself some poker glasses and go bluff your ass off in a poker game. You're guaranteed to win. So thank you, Simply Carbon Fiber, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, now it's finally time to get working on the car. What I gotta do right now is actually pop off all the coil packs. Well, I gotta take off this air box too. But I gotta pop off all the coil packs and the spark plugs. That way when we're spinning the engine, it can spin easily and freely. So let me go ahead and do that first, and then we'll get the car all jacked up and ready to go.
Instructions?
Instructions.
Nope, we're good.
All we need is
Yeah.
these. No lube, no nothing. We're going in dry. Or run soapy. Alright guys, I went ahead and got all the coil packs and spark plugs off of there. They're all sitting right here on the ground. Went ahead and took that airbox off as well. Basically, everything in the engine bay is ready to go. I threw this engine hoist thingy on. This is basically holding the whole engine up so I can drop the subframe from under it so I could take the oil pan off. You understand what I'm saying over here?
Right here, he's gonna take it off and he's gonna...
Yeah. By the way, Nautic,
Yes, talk John.
who curbed this wheel?
So, let me explain. These were the previous dumbass owner, but I don't know which dumbass
No,
it is.
those were not the previous dumbass owner. One of those was the previous dumbass
Yeah,
owner.
it just, like, it's like a virus. It spreads, so...
The other one's the new dumbass.
You didn't get the back seat for the car?
Hey, man. We haven't made fun of you on the vlog in a long time.
My God, not again.
Okay.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
He voted for Biden.
No, I did not. Don't ever
That's
disrespect
it.
me like that.
Alright, we're gonna get to work and we're probably gonna get a little bit of work done today. I'll probably just start taking some shielding and stuff off from under it. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this car jacked up and start working on the bottom end of it. Alright guys, I went ahead and got the oil pan off, the subframe off, and also got the oil pickup tubes off of here, so everything is finally off. Now I can work on getting these rod bearings all switched out and putting those new rod bolts in. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get all these rod bearings all switched out, and then I'll show you guys what the old rod bearings look like. Hopefully they're not too bad. I don't believe they're gonna be too bad, but yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, I finally got all the rod bearings all changed out. These are all the old ones right here. There's really no damage to these rod bearings. They look really good actually compared to some other cars that you see. The only little bit of scoring I see is on, I think, cylinder 5 right here. But that's about it. Other than that, they're really good. Supposedly they upgraded the rod bearings in the 2011, 12, and 13s, but that doesn't really make shit of a difference, to be honest. They still go bad. So make sure you guys do your rod bearings, guys. But yeah, finally got them all switched out. It took me like 4 or 5 hours just to do this, just to switch these out. In those little clips that you guys see, it looks like it's going back quick, but it's
Hey,
really
Todd,
not.
Have I ever told you I love you?
No. So there's still a lot of work to do, guys. I still have to throw on the oil pan and the subframe and all that stuff that I took off earlier. But before we can do that, I want to go ahead and get the subframe and the oil pan all cleaned up because they're really dirty. Narek's gonna go ahead, degrease it up and clean it up so we can move on with the rest of the procedure.
She got there.
Oh, muscle! Always has to touch my ass.
You got a fat juicy ass, that's why.
Just gotta throw some oil in this bitch. Throw the spark plugs in this bitch. And then we're good to go. We're just gonna send it. Oh. Oopsie. Alright guys, I just went ahead and put the oil in there. Obviously you guys just saw, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw the new spark plugs in and just get it all tidied up, just finish it all, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, everything is finally all back together. Now we're getting ready to start it for the first time. Let's see if it starts.
What do you think so far? Sounds perfect.
Just gotta let it warm up. Alright guys, car is all running perfectly. No check engine lights or anything like that. No weird ticking noises. I told Narek he's gonna have to drive the car like mildly, no like doing stupid shit in there. Both of you actually, you especially. You probably drive worse than him.
Why would I?
I'm just saying, don't drive the car stupidly for like 500 to 1,000 miles, and then we're gonna do one more oil change just to be safe. I usually like doing that because there's usually gonna be like metal shavings because the rod bearings are new and stuff like that. Alright guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick little breakdown of rod bearings on the E92 M3. As always, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably going to be working on the E30 in the next video. So make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment down below what you guys think about the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.